GBP USD and the AUD JPY daily time frame up, we can see the GBP USD's had a large pin bar reversal overnight. In fact, we've had two consecutive pin bar reversals. We can see the large lower rejection and the tails. Okay, so a pin bar is simply a candle with a lower tail which closes well off its lows and reverses intra-session. So we can see the market now springboarding higher and heading up into the FOMC. Now on the AUD JPY we had a false break signal. Now this is one of my favorite setups. It can form on various different setups, but in this case we had this large outside bar and we had multiple inside bars, and then we see this tail on this candle actually probed below the low of that support level at 68 and rejected up. It's a very clean false break setup. I was long on the close of this bar around the 68.10 level, and it's now rallying up around 100 points, looking for a test of 70.35 thereabouts, and even higher if that FOMC number comes out favorable. Now if we see any form of false break in the market, it really just is the stop hunting of the bigger players. So when we have a stop loss in the market, if it's just below a support level, a lot of the time the institutions and larger players will stop you out and then shimmy the market back in the opposite direction. So that's really what's happened in this example. So why we see the tail on this candle is the stop losses have been triggered, and the contrarian traders have certainly bought that up aggressively, and we can see the rotation occurring again. In this case on the GBP USD, it's simply buying pressure off the 145 support level, which has induced buying, which causes the tails on the candle. So yes, this is just reading raw price action. It takes a little bit to get used to. If you'd like to learn more about the trading strategies I use to trade Forex, learn more about price action, also participate in the live trading forum we've got there for members, check out the learntotradethemarket.com website. The top right of the page is a Forex trading course menu. Read about what we're offering, and we'll see you